whoa.
Teacher!
Those are your parents? And they brought the Galactic Armada? Watch out for the kid! Don't hit him!
Son, there you are. Quick, get in the car. We gotta go.
No, wait, Dad, I gotta tell you something.
What? I know. You were right. Alien invasion. I see that now. Look up. There it is.
Yeah, you know, about that. It's actually just a rescue mission.
Rescue mission?
Yeah, you see, this alien kid was left behind by mistake, and they're just coming back to get him. So we have to help him, Dad, because if we don't, who else will?
What?
Forget it. You know, you wouldn't believe me anyway.
Son! Son, come back! Son! Chicken Little!
Mr. Croc! Wait, he's telling the truth!
He is! Though given his track record, we understand why you don't believe him!